Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be drawing a cat cartoon. So all that you're going to need is to draw one circle, and you can draw around anything that you like. I've got a glass here that I'm going to use, and you're going to need a black pen, or any colour pen really. So I'm just going to draw around my glass. So check out the other videos in the series. I'm just using one circle to draw lots of cartoon animals. There we go. So I've drawn around my glass. We have a nice circle there. Next, we're going to do the ears. So just draw a pointy triangle shape here. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Remember, you can pause this video at any moment if it goes too fast. So there we go. Next, we're going to draw the little nose. So that's just an upside down triangle, just like that. Then I'm going to do the mouth. And then the same on the other side. Next, we're going to draw a long pointy triangle that comes all the way down the center like that, and up again. I'm going to draw a slightly smaller one on this side, and then the same on the other side. Excellent work. Now we're going to be doing the eyes, so we're going to draw one oval shape on this side, and then we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. Well, I don't know if it will be exactly the same, but I'm going to try. There we go, almost. So we're going to draw an oval in the top left of each eye. And then we're going to draw a little circle in the bottom right. And then colour it all in. Okay, and then the same on this side. So I'm going to make this one slightly bigger because it's a little bit smaller than the other one. There we go. Excellent. So all that we've got to do is just put in the whiskers. So 1, 2, 3, and then the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. So there's your finished cat drawing. If you've enjoyed this, feel free to hit the subscribe and like button, and also check out the others in the series of drawing animals just using one circle. See you soon. Bye-bye.